Are you hiding? Hmm? Oh man, I've been discovered. What are you doing? Hmm? Hey, Smokey. What you doing? What, because I caught you about to eat the plant, so you were acting like you were doing something else, huh? Mm-hmm. I know how you are. Acting all innocent. Smokey, you done tearing up my chair? Hi, precious. Hi, baby. Uh-oh, he thinks he's coming up here. Hey! Hey, cutie pie. Got you. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Chicky Toy? You're so cute. I got you. I love you, Daddy. Okay. Go chill out. Lay down. Okay, come up here. Come on. You know you want to jump up here. Come here, Smokey. Come here, Puppas. Come here, Puppas. Come here. Dad.